Ever feel like canned compressed air is letting you down right when you need it most? It runs out fast, costs a fortune to keep replacing, and that freezing spray can actually damage sensitive electronics over time. That's why I tested the top electric air dusters on Amazon to find the ones that completely replace those messy cans for good. From budget-friendly options to professional-grade powerhouses, these rechargeable dusters are total game changers for keeping your tech clean. Check the links below for the best prices, and let's dive into the top picks. First up is the compressed air duster with 130,000 revolutions per minute. And this one proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get serious cleaning power. Built around an ultra-powerful cordless motor, it generates enough airflow to blast dust, crumbs, and debris out of keyboards, computer towers, car interiors, and tight household corners without any canned air at all. The 8,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery keeps it running through extended cleaning sessions, so you're not stopping halfway through a deep clean to recharge. 4 adjustable gear settings let you match the airflow to the job, whether that's a gentle pass over a delicate camera lens or a powerful blast through a dust-clogged PC fan. For anyone tired of running out to buy more compressed air cans, this is where switching to electric finally starts to make sense. Next is the Wolfbox MF100 electric air duster, and this one steps things up with a seriously impressive 150,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor that delivers noticeably stronger airflow than standard models. The brushless design means it runs cooler, lasts longer, and handles repeated use without the performance drop-off you get from cheaper motors. With 3 adjustable gear settings, you can dial in exactly the right intensity for delicate electronics or crank it up for stubborn dust, build-up in vents, keyboards, and car interiors. Being fully rechargeable means it's always ready to grab whether you're cleaning a home office, tidying up outdoor furniture, or blasting dust out of hard-to-reach spots around the house. It's a genuine step up in raw power for anyone who takes their cleaning routine seriously. The third pick is the Sail-Happy compressed air duster, and this one pushes performance even further with an incredible 300,000 RPM motor that puts it in a different league entirely. What makes this one particularly interesting is its variable speed control, which makes it just as useful for barbers clearing hair clippings as it is for blasting dust out of a keyboard or PC tower. That kind of flexibility means one device covers an unusually wide range of use cases, from professional grooming environments to everyday tech cleaning at home. The high-speed airflow makes quick work of even densely packed dust and debris, cutting cleaning time down significantly compared to slower models. For anyone who wants serious power, paired with genuine versatility, this is one of the standout options on the list. Coming in at number 4 is the Fantic B10 Pro Max Electric Air Duster, and this one brings a refined premium feel to the entire experience. Powered by a 130,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers strong, consistent airflow across 6 adjustable gear settings, giving you fine control whether you're cleaning a sensitive camera sensor or clearing thick dust from a desktop computer. The one-tap booster feature is a standout addition, letting you instantly kick the airflow up to maximum power for those stubborn spots that need an extra push. With a 28.8 watt-hour rechargeable battery, it holds a solid charge through multiple cleaning sessions without needing constant recharging. The sleek gray design and genuinely sturdy build make this feel like a tool you'll reach for constantly rather than something that gets buried in a drawer. The fifth and final pick is the Fantic B11 Pro Max Electric Air Duster. And this is where things reach an entirely new level of precision and power. With a 150,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor and an astonishing 100 adjustable gear settings, this model gives you control so fine-tuned that you can match the airflow to virtually any surface or situation, from the most delicate electronics to heavy-duty outdoor cleanup. The one-tap booster delivers an instant surge of maximum power whenever you need it, while the 28.08 watt-hour battery keeps performance consistent from the first use to the last. Designed for PC cleaning, car interiors, and household use alike, this is the kind of tool that goes from a quick keyboard cleanup to a full car detailing session without ever feeling underpowered. If you want the most advanced, most versatile air duster on this entire list, this is it. From the budget-friendly power of the first pick to the professional-grade precision of the Fantic B11 Pro Max, there's a rechargeable air duster here for every need and every budget. Think about what frustrates you most about cleaning your tech and your space. Is it the cost of constantly buying canned air, the mess, or just not having enough power to actually get the job done? One of these 5 machines is the solution. Click the links below to find the best deal on the one that's right for you. Trust me, your keyboard, your car, and your wallet will all thank you. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.